YouTube? It's me, Captain Dustin Jonathan. Today we're back at it again with this Hot Wheels set called the Super Launch Speed Track. Now you might be wondering, why do I have 4 cars over here and 3 cars over here? Because when we unbox this, we're going to after that race. This is my team, this is my mom's team, and because there's an exclusive car, I'm going to use the exclusive car. Now it says right here on assembled, so after I explain what you can get from this set, we'll cut and then we'll have to assemble it. So let's take a look. Here you can see the 2 Hot Wheels that they feature. One of them is flying because this one was. It also says here it's on assembled and action. Oh, and this is for 4 to 10 years old. On the back we can see the name, the gimmick with this, and it says there's another set. And this is just featuring the ages that you do. So the CD is for ages 3 to 8 and 4 to 10 is actually action. This is what we're in, and the track builders is 6 to 12. Yeah, I think that covers all the box. Here's the exclusive car. Now let's tear this up. We'll come back with this assembled. Okay guys, we're now back after hard long work, and it took a lot. We have to read the instructions, we have to think about it ourselves, we have to find a way to make it sure that it's right, and after a hard long work, here it is, this set. Fully complete and fully assembled. I hope our hard work pays off. So let's see how it does. 3, 2, 1, go! Yep, and that's how we do it. So thank you for watching another video. Comment down below. Don't forget that hit that subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends, and hope to see you again. Bye!